extraordinary the range and versions that this aircraft was involved with. Counterinsurgency work. Some had machine guns in the side windows. They had bomb racks, smoke laying. There was even an anti-submarine version. The French came up with a 5-seat civil version. All powered then with a 233 Renault engine at that stage. And here he is now, literally coming into the hover. Barely a forward airspeed of around 10 miles an hour, maybe, if that. And he can probably hang around there for quite a long time. Of course, this sort of work obsolete in today's modern warfare. One of the great problems is that you cannot protect this class of aircraft from ground fire or missiles of any sort. So very, very vulnerable indeed. So Peter calling up now. This is his last pass coming up, and said it's a real pleasure in a way that it's not happening very fast. It's superb to see. So as he comes back, ladies and gentlemen, please give Peter a great wave, won't you? It's really, really superb aircraft. Great experienced hand there, Peter. And just superb bit of flying. Barely dropping down. It's almost a vertical descent at these sort of airspeeds. It's quite astonishing. Well, very well done indeed. That's Peter Holloway in G Stitch, Golf Sierra Tango Charlie Hotel. They remind